Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Zina's Outlook. Today we're going to be doing a smoky look makeup tutorial, and it's not even going to like take your time. Like, this is going to be a very short makeup tutorial, and it's still going to look good and it's still going to look smoky. So yes, let's get right into this video. So first of all, I'm going to start with my concealer. What? I'm going to start with my primer. So this is what I'm going to be starting my LA Girl face primer. That's just my brows. So guys, I'm done with my brows. Not much, not too much. We're going to be putting our I'm going to put in my foundation. Well, so yes, this is what I'll be using. I'm just going to put that on my skin. This is a what I'm using. Then you blend. Okay, so guys, I'm done with that. Now I'm going to be contouring my face with my contour palette. That was positive. What? I'm going to be baking my face with this. I'm doing this so that we can just quickly get to the main point of this video, which is the smoky look. Nah. So just I'm so in love with my face. So time to blend that out. Yeah. I don't want it to stay for eyes. Guys, it's time for the eyes, which is the smoky part of this look. And the first thing I'm going to be starting with is the base. Basically, the base is like from here going outward, from inward to outward. And I'm going to be starting with my base. My base is this. Yeah, I'll go in with this, like this and this kind of, like, I think I'll just go with this because I want smoky, right? Exactly. And another thing for this makeup is that I'm going to be extending my eyeshadow out. So I'm going to be extending it out because I want it to be like smoky and, like, how do I put it? I don't know, but I want it to be like very, very extreme kind of. So right now I'm just taking this darker shade right here, and that's just what I'm going to be using to like extend it out, basically. So you can see that extension, right? Yeah, I believe you can see it. So that's just what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to get my black eyeshadow. It's not like a matte color, and I would have really preferred a matte color, but like, this is what I have and this is what I'm going to use. This is what I have and this is what I'm going to use, because I cannot come and what? I cannot come and what? Complete the statement if you know it. So I'll be taking this black. Pardon my eyeshadow palette. So guys, after placing it, you are going to get your blending brush and then you're going to blend it out. This is my blending brush. It's actually not mine, but like, oh well. So blending out, like I said, in twirling motion. So we are blending out in the twirling motion, right? It looks like it's faded at the ending, like at this area. It has to look like it is faded out, if you get what I mean. But we are getting there, so everybody, let's just keep this going. So guys, I'm done with like the main thing. So now we are going to be like doing our under eye, and we're still going to use a dark color to do the under eye. I'm still going to be using the same thing I used up to do the same thing for my under eye, and I'm going to be using this brush for my under eye. Yes. So this is where we are now, and I'm just going to finish this whole look. I can never feel like I never lose. That's the only life I know. So guys, how do I look? I know I'm looking fantabulous right now, but what to make me even look more fantabulous is if you like, subscribe and share to this video, because I know I look cute. So guys, how did this makeup look? How do you like this makeup look? Please rate it in the comment section, please. If you reach this part of the video, you are a good person. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video and comment as well, because this video is a nice one. I know. Yes, like, comment, share, turn on your post notifications. Nobody turns it on. Please turn on your post notifications, because I'm going to be posting more often. Yes, once a week. Let's just start from there. Consistency takes time. So yes, please like, subscribe, share, send it to your family, your friends, your best friends, your whatever. Bye guys.